find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
LIN stands for Local Interconnect Network. LIN is used for communicating between the modules in a vehicle. LIN is a simple and inexpensive interface. LIN uses a single wire for interfacing between the devices. LIN can work in conjunction with the CAN interface. LIN can have only one master. LIN can have up to a maximum of 16 devices on the network. This meant one master and 15 slaves at a time. LIN can work up to a speed of 20 kilobits per second. This meant it is a low-speed interface. LIN can have data transferred up to a maximum of 40 meters. The electrical levels of LIN are between 9V and 18V. This meant an additional circuit is required to convert this level to levels of microcontroller. For this, a LIN transceiver is required. As there is only one master, master only initiates the communication and there is no need for bus arbitration as like I2C. LIN also has error correction mechanism. Slaves can respond to master in lengths of 2 bytes or 4 bytes or 8 bytes. Figure shows a LIN transceiver as we can see LIN on one side and UART on the other side. UART side interfaces to the microcontroller side and LIN to other LIN devices. This figure shows frame format of LIN. Master sends a break field followed by a sync field and identifier to which slave responds by data bytes.